Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a comparison on this Louis Vuitton small key pouch and a Coach corner zip wristlet. I'm not sure if you guys are all familiar with the Coach corner zip wristlet, and I believe this has been around for such a long time, and I would consider this as one of my favorite small leather goods from Coach. So anyway, let's start with the key pouch in a size small. So this was released a few weeks ago, and wow, I totally love it. This is an upgrade from the original key pouch. So this one was priced as $365 US. And I don't know, guys. I mean, it just dawned on me in the past few days that I think there was an error or a mistake on the pricing for this piece. Knowing that, I mean, with all the price increases that they have at the moment, I think for $365, this one is actually priced really good. I would consider this as a bargain, really, to be honest, because if I wanted to put a price on this, maybe I could easily say like around $395 or maybe $425 US. And to think that the original pouch that was $330, and you just add $35 and you get the small pouch, and this one is even more functional than the original pouch. A lot of room inside right here. So I don't know. I really don't know. I was a little bit confused with the pricing. So as we guys all know, that the key pouch, especially the small and the medium, are currently sold out at the moment. And due to its popular demand, I really thought that maybe in the future, who knows when, this became a permanent piece, and later on they can come out with different prints such as the damier ebene, azure, or maybe an empreinte leather, or maybe an epi, or even a Tyrian leather. Who knows? But this one is such a hot piece at the moment, and it was sold out. But then again, with the website, it's different, okay? So Louis Vuitton updated their website periodically, and I really don't know the time when they replenish the merchandise or do a restock. I'm not really sure, but I would suggest to refresh the website from time to time, and most of the time, all of a sudden, this item pops up and it is available to be ordered. Moving on, let's do the size comparison first. So right here, the Louis Vuitton key pouch in a small measures 5.9 inches on its length. The height is 3.5 and the width is 0.4 inches. The Coach corner zip wristlet measures 6.25 inches on its length, 4 inches on its height, and the width is around 0.5 inches. So you see the difference over here. But then again, I have used this one for so many years. So of course, there's going to be a little bit of difference. That's because this one has already been stretched out. All right. So the corner zip wallet, this one is actually originally priced as $88 US, whereas the key pouch, the small one, is priced as $365 US, and it is also available in the leather version as well. So right now on the website, this one is actually priced depending on the print though. I saw it on the website right now. It is priced as $30.80 on the leather, and there's also another one in the canvas, but I believe the cherry, I think that was just released a few weeks ago. That one is priced as $48, around $48. So it really depends, If it is seasonal, it's a lot more. But the regular one, the pebbled one, I think that was $30.80 at the moment. The key pouch has a shiny gold brass hardware. Okay. And then the corner zip has a wrist strap attached to it over here with the leather. So it's a wrist strap over here where you could just slip it through your wrist like that. You guys have noticed the wristlet, actually the zipper opens up towards the side corner. Okay, that's why they called it as a corner zip, because the zipper actually runs from this side towards the corner, and for that it'll give you more access to the pouch. Okay, whereas the Louis Vuitton is a little bit restricted, but yeah, it's not too bad compared to the wristlet. Okay, the wristlet opens wide and the Louis Vuitton is just like that. I really love the idea of this one right here. Okay, so anyway, let's take a look at the interior. The corner zip has 2 card slots inside. We have 1, 2 right here, and this has a fabric lining. Very nice. I totally love it. And on top of that, you could easily pull the lining over here, so it's so easy to clean right here. That's what I love about it. Wow, very, very nice. Very nice. I still love this piece, guys. Okay, and the small key pouch, this one, the interior is actually made up of cowhide grain leather. Okay, and then this one over here has a slip pocket, just one slip pocket, and then this one has a key hook over here, which is actually quite nice. And the only difference between the two is this one is a wristlet and this one has a key hook over here. All right, I'm not really sure if maybe you can transform this, or maybe you could put some wristlet in here. You can attach one, but you can use this one though. But I'm not really sure because the chain isn't really, I don't know. I really don't know. But this one, of course, I had this for so many years, and yeah, it's durable. And this one is made up of leather as well. Okay, and then the hardware for this couch, I think it looks like a champagne gold. It's a little bit muted. Really, it's a little bit muted. So this is the comparison between the two. You could easily compare this key pouch in a size small to the Coach corner zip wristlet. Wow. And when you come to think of it, this is $30.80 right now and $365. I mean, price for Louis Vuitton, $365. It would be, the equivalent for that is 12 of this Coach right here. And this one, it's durable. It's very useful, very functional, and yeah, this is such a perfect alternative for a Louis Vuitton key pouch. In terms of capacity, of course, this one is a little bit longer and a little bit taller right here. So this one could fit a lot more than the small pouch. And it is also, you got an easy access to it, like I said, because of the corner zip is overlapping. That is really good thing. And yeah, I mean, would I recommend the Coach? Of course. That is a no-brainer question, definitely. And the corner zip actually fits way more than my essentials. Yeah, this is really, really nice. It's such a good alternative for the Louis Vuitton key pouch. But then again, it's up to you, you know, if you wanted. I mean, I got this Louis Vuitton, that's because sometimes if I wear my LV, it has to be all LV. If I would wear my Coach, it has to be Coach, the purse, and the small leather goods that I have. My final verdict. So I really don't know, guys. It's really up to you. If you have the budget, if you have the money, you could get the Louis Vuitton. And for Coach is, of course, this is the practical option. It could fit a lot more. It fits your budget, absolutely fits in everyone's budget for the price. And yeah, it's really up to you if you love the Louis Vuitton logo, if you want to match it with your purse. It's really up to you. But of course, Coach is more functional, obviously. And it's also, I would consider this as the most versatile among the two. That is my honest thought. And yeah, it's really up to you. You get an option over here. And yeah, you could do whatever you want. Do whatever your heart desires. Absolutely, whatever makes you happy. That's just how it is. And yeah, I love my corner zip wristlet. And that over there, those are a small wristlet. That is not a corner zip. And I can compare that to the medium key pouch. And I will be doing a separate video of that as well. Let me just give you a little bit of a comparison. Those are my favorite print. I have several of them. And those are, I picked them, the ones that are my favorite. Oh my gosh, this one, Year of the Rabbit. This one is such a gorgeous piece. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful rabbit over here. The charm itself is absolutely stunning right there. And then this one is made up of leather, and this is the size comparison for the small pouch. So this is not a Coach corner zip wristlet, because the zip for this one starts from here towards the end, so it's not like overlapping towards the corner. So this is a Coach small wristlet. Okay, so you see the difference over here, right there, the zipper. Okay, this is the corner zip, and this is just a Coach small wristlet. Okay, so this is the comparison for the small over here for size reference. And I believe right now with different colors, I think it's around $75 US. That's what I thought. And I love collecting seasonal pieces. I love the lunar. I'm not sure if they have this in Lunar New Year with Coach. And they have different colors, and those are my favorite over there. Oh my gosh, I mean, I have so many wristlet, guys. I have so many pouches, and I love pouches. I think I have more pouches than a purse, really. So yeah, this is such a beautiful, beautiful piece over here, the small wristlet. So this is the comparison. Yeah, you could easily put this one inside if you want to. Right there. Okay. So you could just easily put this one inside, and I think this is actually the best value for your money. Definitely the Coach wristlet. It's just a perfect alternative for the key pouch, and of course it's more affordable. So anyway, so this is my comparison from the Louis Vuitton key pouch and the corner zip wristlet. Okay, so the size, oh my gosh, it's almost the same though. And also I will be doing a separate video for the key pouch size medium and the Coach small wristlet. Okay, so anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.